I love biscuits and I really make good biscuits. So when you're down and feeling worse, keep a biscuit in your purse. You know, life is a bit like a biscuit that you only get one bite at. The best thing is to just go for it. If you feel an inclination for something, just go for it. Hello friends, in today's video I'll be making graham cracker, and this is my second video on graham crackers. Okay, so if you've seen my video on graham crackers, then you should understand that I love graham crackers. Like, graham crackers is the king of crackers for me. That's my unpopular opinion. I don't know about you. Graham crackers have this thing with overindulgence. You eat one, you want to eat more. Okay, so in a bowl, add all your dry ingredients and then add all the wet ingredients and mix together. So, as usual, all the ingredients will be dropped in the description box below. So it's easy. Mix all the dry ingredients together, add all your wet ingredients, and then mix with your hands to form a dough. Transfer to your work surface, roll out the dough and cut. So just cut all the edges, so it's looking very neat and nice. Then cut into rectangular shapes. Now you can cut your graham cracker into square or rectangle. Yeah, any size you want, it's okay. So today's video I wanted it very large, so you can see the size. It's massive. Yeah, it's massive, baby. It's plenty. So when I eat one, it will be very filling for me. Okay, so after cutting, poke with your fork, transfer to your baking tray, lined baking tray. So if you don't have baking mats, you can use parchment paper. So transfer that to the oven and bake for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure to monitor your biscuits while baking. Yes, because our oven temperature differs. I baked at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes here, and our graham cracker is ready. You can see that it's huge. Believe me, if you eat this cracker, and sorry, I forgot to mention, when rolling your graham cracker, make sure the dough is not very thin like a normal or usual cracker. Graham cracker, it's not meant to be crispy. So you can use this for your tea or coffee, or you can eat with milk. You can even soak it in milk and it's very delicious.